Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Haziq Hakim bin Mat Zafri, and in this video I want to guide you all in how to create a new YouTube account or sign in if you already have the YouTube account. So this is how to create the YouTube account. There are some steps that you must to follow. First, go to your Google and just search Google YouTube and click on the first choice, YouTube. And if you can see, this is the interface that have been provided in the YouTube. You can see on the left side there are many features that have been already prepared, such as subscription, short, history, and library. They already have many more features that you can explore after this. So to sign in, click on the right top side, and he will put you to the next page to sign in. And after you click the sign in button, this is the page that you must follow some step to create account or just sign. If you have already have the Google account, just sign in with your Google account. To create the new account, just click the button on the bottom, create account, and there are few purpose that you can choose. Depends on your purpose of creating a YouTube account. So if you already have the Google account, just sign in with your old Google account. Just put your email, put your own email, and click next. After that, just sign in with your password and click next. And if you can see, after you put your Google account, you already have your own YouTube account, but you must create your channel first. To create the channel, click on the right side, and there are some option. And to create the channel, click the create a channel, and you can rename your channel by your own creativity. For me, I choose Haziq Hakim as my YouTube account, and just wait until it's done. And it's done. You can see your YouTube account just has been renamed to the name that you have been renamed. And that's all from me about how to create the YouTube account. See you on my next video. Thank you.